So one of the other solutions that we're here to talk about is our CAD system, our computer-aided dispatching system. So that's a system that's used by customers throughout the European and Middle Eastern region to handle call taking and dispatching of units in emergencies. It's used by all sorts of emergency services, cities, City of Paris as an example, that use the system to prepare for the Olympics that are coming up in Paris. From the Gendarmerie Nationale and the Police Nationale, the biggest CAD system in the world, deployed through 12 territories. There are 8,000 call takers that receive 50 million calls a year, and there are 80,000 users of the mobile devices across the French territories that daily use our systems to keep people safe. Throughout the Middle Eastern region, we also have customers that use the system, mostly emergency services that use our systems first and foremost to make sure that they can reach their KPIs, to reduce the response times of the emergency so they can respond and arrive on site faster. And then when their emergency teams are on site, they have the information in their hand. They have a Saga mobile app with them, giving them the information and the information they need to be able to respond as quickly as possible. Everything we do is to support our customers in giving the information the right amount of time as quickly as possible and ultimately help them save lives.